Cropland, woods, pond, country home, and more. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to purchase over 80 acres in north central Indiana. Metzger Property Services presents these 84.79 acres in Miami County, Indiana, selling at live auction with online bidding available April 11th. About 5 miles south of Akron, roughly 6.5 miles east of Macy, this property is the peaceful and serene setting you've been looking for at 14339 North 400 East, Macy, Indiana. Property will be offered in 6 individual tracts, select combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 5 acres in size and includes a newer mobile home with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a large front porch, perfect for enjoying the country views. Tract 1 also features a 40 by 60 pole barn, ample space for storage, hobbies, or potential workshop. Tract 2 is 5 acres of recreational woods, an excellent retreat for outdoor activities. Tract 3 and Tract 4 are each a mix of cropland and recreational woods. Tract 3 is 18 acres with a soil index of 129.2, while Tract 4 is 35 acres in size, and the cropland on Tract 4 also has a soil index of 129.2. Tract 5 and Tract 6 are both swing tracts and must be purchased in combination with the adjoining tract or by an adjoining landowner. Enjoy the abundance of deer, birds, and other wildlife as the wooded areas of these 2 tracts are in the Classified Forest Program, and Tract 6 also features a pond. Make plans to explore this property and see this opportunity firsthand at the open house Wednesday evening, April 3rd from 5:30 to 6. Cropland, woods, pond, country home with pole barn. These 84.79 acres in the peaceful countryside of Miami County, Indiana, will sell at auction Thursday evening, April 11th at 6:30. Auction will be held off-site at the Akron Community Center, 815 Rural Street on the northeast side of Akron. Live online bidding will also be available through the Metzger Property Services website. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website bidmetzger.com.